we're back. Gonna be a little introduction video today because we have a couple new projects for the channel. As you can tell, I know sacrilege, Magnamole has a Suzuki. This one is a GS650L, I think GL, which I believe GL stands for shaft drive. Both of them are shaft drive. This guy over here, this is actually technically my buddy's bike. I'm helping him out more than anything to get that one sold, running. We're going to do something with it, kind of, if we make any money on it, we'll split anything on the overhead. But just helping Zach out. Shout out to Zach. Moved down to Florida. Going to take care of this one for you. I bought this one for myself from Zach as well. Thank you, Zach, for the great deal. I'm hoping this is only the start of our motorcycling adventures together. So, but 650 project. Got the 1000 Cafe Racer project. So, I think mainly for the 1000, we're going to be looking at just getting that one back on the road quick. I have a couple parts for it. That seat obviously is not fitting very well with that setup, but I do have a seat that Zach had for it. We'll try it on there, see what we think. I might change the handlebars. For me, it's a little forward leaning. I might go for more of a brat tracker look rather than just straight cafe. But we'll see there, just to make it so it feels good riding. It's those mid position pegs that just riding it off the trailer up into the driveway just felt very cramped up. I think just getting a little bit off of that tank would feel better. So that one's basically going to try to just get it running quick, back on the road, get someone else a project going. The 650, kind of same thing. Want to get back on the road. I got to get a title for this bike. It was bought in an estate sale through a bill of sale, so we'll get a title for that. We do have a clean green Michigan title for the 1000. Carbs are off this bike right now. I actually have them at home. I have a stock air box for it. So this guy will mainly be probably stock. Like, I'm not going to do much more. The handlebars, I believe, are bent on the 650 just by a little bit. They're tweaked on the left side. You can see it's up a little bit compared to the other side. So one of the sides is tweaked. So I already have a set of those. New bars, a little more tracker style bars, not the buckhorns. So going to try those out. This one, I have a headlight bucket and everything for it. I think it had a fairing on it at one point. So got to get front turn signals, probably replace the rear turn signals. Probably similar ones I put on my bike, a little more low profile. You know, you got the classic UJM look for the rear fender, taillight hanging out in space, but probably leave that alone. Rear tire on this one looks okay. I got to check the age on it. The front tire, I think, needs to be changed out for sure, so we'll see there. 1000 tire, rear tire definitely needs to be changed. That's squared off pretty good. Front tire will probably do that too. So, great little projects to have. I'm hoping just flip these probably pretty quick. So honestly, if you're interested in either one, leave a comment below for sure, and we'll talk. But otherwise, I'll be listing them locally. I think little revival on each one, get them both running, make sure that they're looking good. Hopefully drive them to work maybe for a week or so. Just make sure that they're going to be a reliable motorcycle for somebody, or, you know, at least the next step of a project for someone. But I think it was 650 here. Hold on, I don't know which key is which. The tank in this guy, other than that one dot right down there. Hold on, let me see if I can get some light for you guys. We're just up the brightness. It's hard to see, but basically, oh, that's might be a bug in there. This tank is like the cleanest motorcycle tank I think I've ever seen. Hold on, I'm trying to get you guys a light. I got a light. Oh my gosh, we're blown out. We're blown out. Hold on. Sorry, YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. Oh gosh, we're failing right now, boys. Oh, there we go. That tank is silver clean. There's a small line in there. You guys probably can't. Yep, there you go. There's a small line in there, but that's like it. There's a little bit of rust here at the top. A couple spots I see right below the cap, but like the tank is basically brand new. That's what I'm trying to say here. As I put you through that whole debacle. So, those are our new projects, boys. That one, I know the tank needs to be gone through. That's what I'll say. It's that one's gonna be, I think, a little more of a project, if you will, to get it running. So we'll see. I kind of would like to pass this one on to somebody looking for the project themselves, but we'll see what we can do for them first. If we can at least get it just running on its own, idling. I think I have pod filters for this, and I don't know if this bike has been jetted for them. It's got a Vance & Hines pipe on it, so also probably a reason it needs to be jetted properly. So this one, I believe, has stock exhaust. It looks stock to me. I mean, it looks very similar to the Vance & Hines on that one, but they look stock. So unless they're like flipped inside or something weird, but no, I can see they're not. So they're properly mounted. So mainly the 650, the one on the right. It's going to be pretty much a stalker boy, hoping just to get it to be a nice little commuter bike for somebody. 1,000. We'll see where it takes us. I think I'm going to maybe go a little more of the brat style for this one. Or think about relocating the pegs up higher. And it might be a little more comfortable, but it's already pretty cramped up, and I'm not a tall guy. I'm only 5'8". And right now the seat probably is not helping, crushing your manliness there. This brake master kind of seems a little crusty, so we'll see if we can clean that up, but I think that might need to get replaced. Brake handles are cut off by somebody. They got these Amazon special handles on them, so Zach didn't do any of this, so don't get in the comments and get on Zach for leaving this. He was going to bring this back to a beauty. He saw the beauty in this one, so I'm going to try to do him justice on this as much as I can. But little paint chip. So this one's a survivor. It's going to be fun. I'm rambling at this point, but I'm pretty excited about this. Hopefully this is going to be good for the channel too. Hopefully you guys like what you see. Comment below what you want to see done with these bikes. I got a clean title for the 1,000, the white one, and I got to get a title for the brownish, reddish, what is that color, burgundy one, but that one's real clean, real excited about it. Who knows, if I can't find someone who's going to love on them, might keep the 650 for a little bit, just use it as a little commuter bike that I don't mind leaving out in the rain and whatnot, you know, compared to my Magna. So little video today, update on the channel, introducing the two new Suzukis to the channel. So we're gonna start wrenching on these guys. I think I'm gonna do the 650 first, do a little research on the 1,000, figure out what I want to do, come up with a plan, talk to Zach about what he's got into it, see how much I want to put into it, because I really do not want to necessarily lose on the deal. I am willing to trade for any projects people have. If you see this and you have something that you want to trade for one of the bikes, totally open to trade, especially if little Honda's projects, Honda Trail bike would be sweet. So, but I think that's going to be it for today. I've rambled on enough at you guys, but a couple GS's in the garage now. We'll start having fun. All right, boys, take it easy. Like, comment, subscribe. I need to say that stuff more. I really appreciate all the support. Whoever's watching the videos. So, it's fun. I'm having a good time. You know. Oh, yeah. Look how nice the day is. It's perfectly white out there. So, anyway. You boys have a good one. And gals. Everyone who likes to ride. Ride safe. Keep the shiny side up. Out.